Hello, my name is Cody, and for my research project I worked on creating RTS controls in Unity. RTS, or real-time strategy, is a genre of video games where players control multiple units and structures from a bird's eye view. Gameplay requires planning and quick decision making to defeat opponents in real-time combat. For my project, I specifically focused on how units move and behave on the map. In my project, players can move 4 units around the map using the mouse. Whenever the units are stationary, they'll play a idle animation as seen here. Players are able to move them around the map using the right mouse button. Whenever it is clicked and released, the units will move towards and they'll play a moving animation as seen there. These units use the Unity's built-in pathfinding system so they don't overlap each other when they're all moving towards the same point. To create these units, I followed a tutorial called How to Build an RTS in Unity by Matt, Game Dev Guy. The tutorial is about 30 minutes long with clear step-by-step explanations that were helpful when I was learning the basics. The code for the units is split into 3 main sections. The first handles registering all the units in the game with the game manager. The second handles the animation changing from running to idle whenever a unit reaches its destination. And the third handles movement. The game manager gives its destination based on the mouse position, and the unit moves using the nav mesh agent. The game manager handles the player's input. When the right mouse button is released, a ray is cast from the mouse onto the terrain. The point where the ray hits becomes the destination that all the units move towards. For the creative phase, I want to add unit selection, control groups, and attack logic for all the units. This will make the game feel more like a traditional RTS. Thank you for listening.